Here is a full tutorial to show you how to make this beautiful Egyptian-inspired Nemes band ring. It only uses two different kinds of beads, size 8 seed beads by the brand Miyuki and crystal cylinder beads from Potomac Beads. And you're going to need a stop bead. Let's talk about it. It should be different than the rest of the beads in the ring, but it is only temporary and will be removed near the end. Also, in this project, it will serve as a place marker and always be in the top left-hand corner of your row. Of course, it stops the beads from slipping off your thread without using a knot. The technique used in this ring is a 3-count odd stitch peyote. You might be more familiar seeing it done with just seed beads like this example here on the right, but I hope that you agree it's the perfect stitch for this ring. And you'll need 40 inches of your beading thread. This is Wildfire in beige. Add a stop bead to your thread. Leave a couple of inches of tail. Needle back through the stop bead just to loop it onto your thread. One size 8, one cylinder bead, and one size 8, bringing those next to your stop bead. One more size 8 coming through the cylinder bead and pulling it up so it sits next to the one beside it. One more size 8 seed bead coming into the one here. Again, you want to make these sit side by side. Needle down through your cylinder. Step into the one on the right, up the one on the left, back through the cylinder bead, up the one on the left, and down the one on the right. One more cylinder bead, one size 8, back through the cylinder bead, one more size 8, down through the one on the left, making them sit side by side, down the cylinder bead, down the one on the right, coming up the one on the left, back through your cylinder, through the one here, down here. One more. Down here. Look at the row of beads that you have made. Closest to the stop bead, you can see the crystal is indented a little bit. You need to finish by having the crystal at the other end sticking out a little bit. That way, when you combine them together to make the band, they will fit snugly. They call that zipping it up in peyote. Weave your tail thread back and forth through your beads. Weave your tail thread back and forth through your beads. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this special tutorial, and as always, all my beading friends, enjoy it and have a beautiful day.